Today we will discuss direct memory access. It is a data transfer methods used by peripheral devices, input, output and memory without control of central processing units. In this case, central processing units only initiate to transfer the data and then it will be free to work other operations. That's why it is written direct transfer methods between input output devices and memory without control of central processing units on the bus. It is a features of modern computers. In earlier computers, this DMA system was not available, but nowadays this DMA system is available. Due to this DMA system, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम वर्किंग फास्टर, स्पीड इसका क्या होता है, फास्टर हो जाता है. एंड देन व्हाट आर द सिस्टम्स लाइक डिस्क ड्राइव कंट्रोलर्स, ग्राफिक कार्ड्स, साउंड कार्ड्स यूजेज DMA direct memory access systems. This direct memory also used for intra-chip data transfer in multi-processor computer system. Multi-processor system means जिस कंप्यूटर्स में एक से ज़्यादा अगर प्रोसेसर्स यूज होता है वहाँ पर भी DMA सिस्टम को यूज करते हैं. फॉर दैट पर्पस वी आर यूजिंग DMA. ऑल्सो इट इज यूज टू ट्रांसफर द डाटा बिटवीन लोकल एंड मेन मेमोरी. तो जैसे ये क्या है, डिस्क ड्राइव कंट्रोलर के लिए भी यूज होता है, ग्राफिक कार्ड्स के लिए भी यूज होता है, मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टम में यूज होगा एंड ऑल्सो लोकल एंड मेन मेमोरी डाटा ट्रांसफर सिस्टम के लिए भी यूज होता है. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस DMA. जहाँ पर भी जिस सिस्टम में होगा, CPU ओनली इनिशिएट द ट्रांसफर ऑफ डाटा एंड इट इज फ्री फॉर ट्रांसफर ऑफ अदर ऑपरेशंस वर्क. हाउ दिस DMA acts in any system? For that purpose there is a DMA controller. What is DMA controller? DMA controller is an interface which is used to communicate between input and memory systems without control of central processing units. Basically it is a communication interface which is used to transfer the data through this DMA controllers. This DMA controllers consist of one address bus. Here it is given address bus controllers. Then there data bus. This data bus consists of data bus buffers and it has three registers. One is called address registers, another is called word count registers and third one is called control registers. And this DMA controllers have been given 7 input points. One is known as data selects, notation is DS. RS is register selects, RD means read, WR means write, BG means bus grunt and last one is interrupt. How this controllers is working? First he has to request for DMA request and then it will be acknowledged like DMA acknowledged. DMA means direct memory access. It has to be request and then after this data bus will select the address registers, word count registers. The one function of word count, it counts how many number of words that to be transferred during DMA request. Similarly, this DMA controllers already have discussed. It consists of 3 register. One is address register, word count registers and control registers. So this is regarding DMA controllers. This DMA controller is an interface which is used to communicate between input devices and memory to transfer of data without control of central processing units. Basically it is a interface. We will see in the next how data is transferred.